Hello again, everyone. Today we are going to talk about another part of Python. In this, we'll be just covering a couple of things, as in what Python booleans are and the operators. So operators will take some time. There are six major divisions of operators. So I'll try to cover each one of them in different videos. So today in this video we'll be discussing about what are booleans, how to evaluate them, how to declare a boolean variable or how to declare a bool variable, and then the operators. I'll be working on booleans, and that's all that I'll cover in this video. So starting with what is Boolean? Boolean is represented by true or false. So anything which can consist of true or false is a variable which consists of true or false or contains a value as true or false is called a Boolean. So any value which is 0 or empty is false. Any value which is non-zero or not empty is true. So how do you evaluate if a value is true or false? So first thing is, if you write on bool 0, it gives you that it is false because 0 represents false. Anything empty represents false as well. So boolean 1 is true, boolean a is true as well. How to declare a boolean variable? It's simple. You write on a is equal to true or b is equal to false, again if you want to print it. Then operators. Operators is symbols or characters to represent an action, so it is only for representing an action. So operators, we begin with the Boolean operators. So there are three operators that we are going to talk about. One is or, then and then not. Or, it returns true if either of the values or on the right or left are true, as in if you put in a condition, and if either of the values on the left or right is true, then it will be returning you a true. And returns true only when both the values on the left and the right are true. So the and condition will check if both the values are true, then it will only give you the results as true. Not, it makes true or false and false to true. So not is just doing the reverse of what value you give it. So let's just take some examples. The first example is of or. I say x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, and z is equal to 5 again. So I print if x is equal to y or x is equal to z. So x is 5, 5 is equal to 6, which is false, and 5 is equal to 5, which is true. So the answer is true because one of them is true. And when I put in and, it gives me a false because one of them is false. For and, all the conditions should be true. And then I've also put in not there. If not this and this, so false becomes not false becomes true, and that's the reason you are able to see true there. So that's what I'm going to cover, but then I just want to mention a couple of things that I'll be talking about comparison as well. I am also creating a page, a blog, which is this here. So I'll be posting it as well, which you can you will be getting this link on at the bottom of the page. If you go here in my post, you will find out all the links at the bottom. So I'll be updating the video link. Then for the Kaggle code, you can go here. These are the references that I've used. These are the sites that I've been referring in order to create this video. So with that, I thank you for listening and have a good day.